Hey there, Precalc kids. Today we are looking at 4 properties of logs. Well, they bark, uh, they're tall, they do a bunch of other stuff. Okay, let's talk about these properties, guys. This will be a short one. It should be a review. Let's take a look. By the way, noteworthy. First things first, product rule. Product rule says your log of r times s equals log of r plus log of s. Okay. For example, log base 3 of 2x equals log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of x. Okay? Now, I want you to think about this. You guys remember this rule? What do you do with your exponents? You add them. That's where this comes from, guys. This comes from the same thing as your exponent rules. And that's why division works too. Division then subtraction, because the inverse of multiplication is division, inverse of addition is subtraction. So if I have log base 5 of y over 4, well, that's equal to log base 5 of y minus log base 5 of 4. Okay? And if you have a power, you can move that out in front. Like if I have log, actually let's do natural log. If I have natural log of 5 to the y, that's the same thing as y times natural log of 5. And this comes from, remember this rule? You multiply your exponents. That's where that comes from. Multiply your exponents. Same as your exponent rule. Capiche? Capiche. Capiche? A fish. Okay. Let's try this piece out. Use your properties of logs to rewrite this guy as a sum of logarithms of multiple alleles. Oh, pause. I'm gonna fix. Alright, we're good. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this log of 3x to the 5th. By the way, guys, if you don't know by now, examples are noteworthy. Okay. First, this is multiplication. A rule of multiplication says I can take my log of 3 and add to it my log of x to the 5th. Okay. Am I done? No dice. No, I can't draw. I have an exponent here. Our exponent rule says I can take this and put out in front of this log. So I end up with log base 3. I'm not log base 10 of 3. Log 3 plus 5 log x. Now am I done? Oh, yes, sir, done. Here's your guys' trivia question, and try to find a funny video. What TV show has a commercial for a product called Log? It's Log, it's Log, and it talks about all the amazing things Log does. Okay. Okay, assuming x is positive, right? Now here we're going to go backwards. We know the rules forward, but here we're going to go backwards, okay, guys? No worry. I want to take this piece by piece. Okay. So we have 3 natural log of x. Our rules say that if we're multiplying this out in front, it's actually a power, right? So that means this is the same thing as natural log of x to the 3rd. Now again, that x is to the 3rd, not natural log of x to the 3rd, okay? And minus natural log of 2. Now do you guys remember what subtraction means? It means I take and I make it into division. And I'm done. That's all there is to it, guys. I put a little smiley face in the corner. Nose. Alright, change the base formula for logarithms. This stuff's pretty important. Remember before? No worry. Remember before how, like if you see something like this, we're out of luck. We can't plug that into our calculators. What we have to do is, 3 to the x equals 4. I don't know what power you can take through 2 to equal 4. I give up. I quit. But with our change of base formulas, we can do that. In fact, we can change this to natural log. We can change this to log base 10. We can do whatever we want. Okay? So, what this says is some log base b. You plug in your log base a of 10 of x over log base a of b. Remember, they can't equal 1 because that gets tricky, because then you get 0 in your denominator. I guess best way to show it is, let's see an example. Okay. Oh no, what do I do, Mr. Twiller? I get 3 to the x equals 10. And I don't know, you can plug in for x to get 10. Well, don't you worry there, buddy. Here's what you do. You go log of 10. Remember, when I don't write anything underneath, that's log base 10. And divide that by log of 3. Okay? And I'm going to grab my handy dandy calculator. There's no logs here. Where's my logs at? Natural log. What? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I go 10. I go 10. I go clear. I go 10. Log of that. Oh yeah, it's 1. 1 over. In your calculators, you guys can do this quicker. 3 log of that. Point. Get over there, you son of a gun. Okay. Okay. Let's copy and paste on this guy. 0.4771212. 0.47712 is actually 13. Okay, then I divide those out. 1 divided 0.4771213, and my answer is about 2.096. Okay, which makes sense because 3 squared is 9, and that's what log base 3 of 10 is. Okay, let's do another quick example, and I'm going to use natural log. Or actually, watch this. You think I get the same answer if I do natural log over natural log? You guys want to try it? Well, let's try it. I gotta use my mouse. Moby, you failed me. Okay. So let's plug this in. Clear. 10. Natural log of that guy is 2.3026. 2.3026. Ah, wrong button. Okay. So now I'm going to put in my 3. Natural log. Natural log 3 is 1.0986. Okay. And now I'm going to plug those in my calculator. So I have 2.3026 divided by 1.0986, and I get about, oh look at that, 2.096. Because I can change that to any base, guys. I could use log base 3, but these are the two in our calculators. Again, log of your 10 over log of 3, and it gives you your answer. Capiche? Alright. If you guys feel confident with this stuff, this is where we'll end it. I'm going to do one more example for fun. I'm not going to make you take notes on it. If you just want to watch it and enjoy, that's fine. Because you guys always say I give you easier ones in the lecture than hard ones in homework. I decided to throw a harder one on this for fun. So again, don't have to take notes on this, guys. Just watch. Assuming x is positive, use properties of logs to write natural log of 2 as a sum or difference of logarithms or multiples of logarithms. So we got to break this up, guys. Okay. First thing I'm going to take a look at is there's a division sign here, right? That tells me I can break this up into natural log of x squared plus 5 minus natural log of x, right? Because there's a division sign. So that one's biting the dust. Okay. Now, I'm going to rewrite this. That square root, a square root, the same thing as taking that to the half power, right? Anyone agree? Disagree? Have some quarrels? Any of that good stuff? Okay. So now, next thing I can do is, what can I do with that 1/2, guys? Bring out in front. 1/2 natural log of x squared plus 5 minus natural log of x. Is there anything I can do with this, guys? There is not, because that plus is in the parentheses, so that means I can't combine them. Okay. Squared is with the 5, so I can't bring that in front because it doesn't pertain to that 5. So we are done. Okay. That's all I got for you guys.